Hi, this is Jack Stanley, and I wanted to mention something. Finally, finally, finally underlined in capital letters. I'm getting my left knee replaced. Now, if you don't know the story, I will share a very quick Reader's Digest version here. I had my right knee replaced 14 months ago. The objective was that I would have my left knee replaced the following month. Of course, my father told me at the time, he said, get both of them done because once you do one, you'll never want to do the other. He's pretty much right, but I don't have a choice. But the thing is that through a series of mishaps, problems, allergies, and issues, this mess has gone on for 13 months, and there have been 8 attempts to do this surgery, which meant 8 times I had to prepare myself mentally and physically and just emotionally to the idea of the surgery and what I'm going to have to deal with, and then having it canceled. It gets on you after a while. And all the while being in a lot of pain, which doesn't help matters much. But fortunately, now everything is pretty well set. All of the clocks are set to strike at the same time. I've been told I have to do several things. First off, I have to shave my beard off in case they have to resuscitate me. That's a wonderful thing to think of. They say, just in case. And then they give you all these warnings of what might happen. And I don't think there'll be any problem, but I'll make sure I shave just in case. Also, I'm allergic to opiates. I'm allergic to a whole mess of things. Therefore, pain management is an extremely difficult thing for me. And that's something else I'm not looking forward to, but it's part of the experience, and I know I did it before, and I know I'll do it again. And the nice part of this is I only have 2 legs, so I don't have to deal with this again. And this should last me for the rest of my life, hopefully. So, I wanted to just fill you in, share this with you, because many people happen to have arthritis and happen to suffer through what I'm suffering through. And hopefully you won't have to wait as long as I have and go through the absolute rigmarole that took place. And it's set, it's done, and so on May 16th, my knee will be replaced. And we'll be off to a much better start. And also, I'll feel a lot nicer. I'll feel better. And I can do some fun videos. I have a lot of things I want to talk about in the future. There's so many different things, so many topics. And I would love to start eventually just thinking, speaking out loud and thinking out loud. I would love to start doing something with someone and start reflecting back and forth between each other and looking at history and looking at the understanding of things, whatever it may be. Just thoughts and ideas that are going through my mind. And that's about all I can think of at the moment. And that's the way it was. May the 6th, 2022. Thank you.